Most people think Canva is just a drag and drop tool, but here is the truth. If you know how to use Canva properly, Canva can make animation that goes viral. Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring. In this video, I am going to show you inside the mind animation tutorial step by step.
First open Canva, go to video tab and select mobile video dimension. This way, your design will fit Instagram Reel and YouTube Shorts. Upload a close-up photo of yourself. If your image is low quality, click edit and image upscaler. Choose 2x or 4x. Canva will sharpen your photo. Now remove the background. If you are pro user, click remove background inside Canva. If you are using Canva free, just use website remove.bg. It removes background of any image for free. Now we'll add outline to the image. To add outline, select the image, click on edit, open shadow, and here you will see the outline. And just adjust the thickness and color of the outline. Next, let's add texture to this particular image. Click edit, go to apps and open the texture app. You will see options like paper, paint, VHS, grid. I'm going with the smooth paper. Play with the blend modes like overlay, multiply, soft light, and adjust the opacity until it looks right. Now let's add one more effect for this image or photo. From app section again, choose Bad TV. Adjust the setting until you like the look. Okay, this gives the photo a creative retro style that I wanted for this photo, so that it will look very interesting. Now let's set the background color. I always use brand colors, but you can choose any that fits your style and we'll go with that particular image. You can select anything. Here is the main trick. We'll split the image. Select your photo, edit, apps, and now you need to look for this Choppy Crop app. Now what this app does, this will split your image into one part. Draw around the top half of your head like the way I am doing it and click apply. Now duplicate your photo and crop the bottom half. So you will have two parts, the top and the bottom of your head. Now it's time to show what's inside your mind. Okay, so upload photos of tools you use every day, like your camera, laptop, notebook, or even fun items like web series, screenshot, or anything that you generally do. Just add photos of everything inside the Canva. Remove their background using Canva tool and add outline of each photo so that they will pop out. Arrange them between the top and bottom head parts. Don't leave gaps. Cover the space so it looks full. Select all these elements and group them. Copy the group, paste it on the first page. Make it smaller and place it behind your head photo. This will set up the reveal. Now go to the second page. Select the top head part. Click animate. Create an animation. Drag it upward direction. Change the motion style to the smooth and reduce the speed. Now select the bottom head part and do the same but drag it downwards. To finish and add transition between the pages 1 and page 2, click add transition. Choose match and move. Set the timing around 1 to 1.5. Adjust the speed until movement looks smooth.
And that's how you can create inside the mind animation using Canva. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.